Screen Tight's Chesapeake screen door creates the perfect entryway for the most active members of your family. Available in either wood or solid vinyl, our 32 or 36 by 80-inch doors feature our pre-installed pet door. Attractive and functional, it comes in both medium and large to accommodate dogs of all shapes and sizes. With its impact-resistant frame, it's durable enough to withstand plenty of traffic. And the flexible, clear vinyl flap creates a perfect seal every time. To restrict access, simply insert the lockout slide door to keep your pet in and unwanted guests out. The Chesapeake screen door gives you worry-free access so your pets can come and go whenever they choose.